Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. General Manager Stephen Price of telecoms provider Flow announced a planned spend of US $50 million. The project is the build-out of a 100% fiber optic network and the rebuilding and strengthening of the existing network following the devastation caused by Hurricane Beryl. The objective is to expand Flow's fiber optic network during this calendar year in order to facilitate the introduction of 5G technology. The rise of digital currency has been slow in Jamaica, and yet investment expert Denise Marshall-Miller states that it is on the way to Jamaica, and notable organizations such as the Jamaica Stock Exchange are setting the stage for this to be a greater part of Jamaica's financial landscape. Many people think it's not real, whether Forex trading, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. These words may not really impact some people, but they're here. And in order to get a really quick understanding of the impact in the investment world of Jamaica, we have with us investment manager, senior investment manager, Denise Marshall-Miller. Mrs. Marshall-Miller, what's happening in this? What should the public know about digital currencies and the reality globally and in Jamaica?
So, as it relates to digital currency, I think we're at evolution as it relates to money. We all know how money started from bartering to we have established coins, paper, etc. I really believe that cryptocurrency is the next stage. But if you truly understand what is happening right now with cryptocurrency and the technology that fuels cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, one would know that the achievement of this may come with resistance.
Okay.
Because it's really removing the middle entity. It's really removing the government, the regulators, the banking institutions.
Ooh,
and you're communicating directly, peer to peer. So of course the adoption is going to be slow.
Okay.
What you're seeing happening, however, is that different countries are embracing, I would say, digital currency. Jamaica is one of the first as it relates to their own local currency.
We have a Jamdex?
Yes, we have the Jamdex. We have a number of other jurisdictions that are doing the same. So the adoption is slow. But as I said, the going full to cryptocurrency is going to have a lot of eliminations. How do you maintain control? How is it that you can prevent crimes from happening, anti-money laundering? It's a number of things. But the adoption is slow. We're seeing that Bitcoin particularly, which is known to be the cryptocurrency, the volatility is there in its investment. Someone that is looking to get into cryptocurrency need to understand.
You need to work with a professional.
They need to understand what they're investing, because a lot of the times you have these crypto that comes out that has no proof of work. That doesn't exist. You have not been able to evaluate. And they come out. So there's no proof. And that would have happened a couple of years ago when we had the initial coin offering, where persons just raised money and then you never saw them. So you gotta ensure that you understand what you're investing.
And work with a professional.
Work with a professional to guide you as well.
For the trading period ending March 26, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMB Group Limited, 10% variable rate JMD preference shares with 10,423,828 units traded, representing 22.54% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 7,784,000 796 units traded, representing 16.83% of market sales volume. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 4,864,248 units traded, representing 10.52% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 26, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $61.22 million purchased and US $55.47 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.82 per dollar, selling the US at $158.18 and buying the US at $156.36. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders 40 cents per transaction, with selling at $110.37 and buying at $109.97. The British pound yielded forex traders $1.43 in profits, with selling at $203.37 and buying at $201.94. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding credit isn't just about fixing numbers, it's about changing habits. The difference between a proactive and reactive approach can determine how quickly you regain financial strength. Winning strategies for proactive people include diversified credit accounts, mix of loans and credit cards for better scoring. You also can make extra payments on loans and credit cards to pay off debt faster. Avoid applying for multiple new credit lines at once. Now, winning strategies for reactive people, they could consider stop using credit for non-essential expenses while rebuilding. You could make minimum payments consistently while working toward paying more, or contact lenders if you're struggling instead of waiting for collections. Now, professional women over the age of 45 can move from financial recovery to financial resilience. Staying wealth-minded takes strategy, not just survival. Too many professional women find themselves stuck in reaction mode, only dealing with money when a crisis hits. But true financial power comes from being proactive, planning ahead, building multiple income streams, and making decisions that create long-term security. Here are some suggestions to consider. Seek mentorship and professional financial coaching. Invest early and consistently, even in small amounts. Use data, not emotions, to make money decisions. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.